I'm going to be showing you how to fix paint chips on your wooden door. Chips like these. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a chip of the paint on your door, another chip, and take that paint to either Home Depot or Lowe's for them to check it out. This is also my first time, so this is going to be super interesting. You also want to take some pictures of the chips to bring to Home Depot or Lowe's so they can possibly help you out. Currently, we are taking our chip to Home Depot for color matching. I'll see you there. So we just got back from Home Depot and they told us we need a scraper, a primer, and the paint. So that's what we got. When you go to your Home Depot/Lowe's, the employees will tell you what you need. It might be different than what we needed. So just get all your tools and then follow some of the instructions that the employees gave you. So step 2 is you have to clean off the surface that you're going to be fixing. So yeah, let's do that right now.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm taking away all the dust or dirt that's near the area that we're going to wipe off.
Okay.
We can't have any residue near that area. Then after that, the next step is to scrape away any loose paint around the place that you're fixing up.
Okay, what are you doing now?
So right now we are sanding the edges or around the area, and this is to smooth it out. So we just use filler to fill all the holes and dents inside the wood. Now we're going to wait 15 minutes for the filler to settle down, and then we're gonna sand the filler. Next, we're gonna open up the primer and we're gonna apply it. Now for safety, we are using thinner to clean out the brushes and stuff after using the primer because the primer is oil-based. So now it's time for the paint.